Now I am going to put a bit of anti-seize on in case someone else, I don't know, want to get the bolt off later on or change a configuration.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. This is a recording.
Yep, put a bit of grease on that and that's going to work. Probably might help. Okay, so there into there. Let's go and do it. Because the front's halfway up. Yep, that's going. Not too bad. I can see the hole. Put that in there and lower it down again. It's just gone askew again, so I've got to put more towards the back again. The bolt's got to go this way. There we go. That's it. Just like I got it out, just scrapes through. Now he's got to line the other side up. Well, that's good. That is anyway. There we go. There we go. There we go. Don't want to go past it. I'll get my bolt ready. Bring you in for a closer look. See in and over there. The other one's almost through. So we go up a little bit more. So you're trying to go up and that way a little bit. We're not. Alright, I might give that a bit of a tap in again. And up a little bit more pressure. There we go, it's just popped past now. So now I've got to lower it down. 3 mil. Somewhere there. And the front's lined up perfectly. I think if I just give it a bit of a tap, it might go in. If I can get anything in there to swing. You beauty. You beauty, home and hose. Right. Right, that's really good. That's really, really good. Now, I'll give this front one a bit of a hit as well. Oh, I love it. Love it. Very good. They're in. Jack down. What am I doing? That's not right. Now I've got to remember I can't tighten these up snug until this is on the ground, under pressure, under load. And the reason is, if you're not sure, I've said it before, but the rubber bushings if I tighten them up now, when they get load on them, the bushings are going to be have pressure on them, and they'll twist and they end up tearing. So they'll just sit there tearing as you're driving along, tearing, and then they're gone. So you got to let weight down and then snug them up where they need to be. And I think they still twist, but not as aggressive. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. I'm no expert. I'm not a suspension guy. Ah, that's really good. All right. And I was going to put a bit of shit on those bolts. Too late now. Just so the metal sleeve inside is, it's got a bit of protection from rust. And the other one is here. Now I'm pretty sure I've got ahead of myself. I didn't even check the ball joints and go in. Should have put the ball joint in, possibly. Someone's saying there down the comments. Oh, what was that? Nipple. Grease nipple. What type of bolt? Nut. Nylox. So that's going to have to go into there, and I'm just going to have to stabilise it and give it a helping hand with my tool. So that's no big deal. I'll leave that till tomorrow then. Very good. Okay, so got the upper control arm all nicely finished, ready to go. I put this upper ball joint in. So it's already been pre-drilled out. It's the updated, no rivets. That was all done for me. So that's going on nicely to there, and it's going to run a little bit of anti-seize underneath. Just sit that in. Now the bolts, I'm going to give them a little bit of anti-seize as well. So that goes in. We've got our spring washer and nut. They're not going anywhere. That's that job done. That's in, and it's got a grease nipple that comes in the bag as well. So that's ready to go on. Now I'm not going to put the grease nipple in that yet because I might have to use like a pressing tool over that, and I don't want to damage the grease nipple. So if we come back over to here now, I'm going to put this up through here, and you could put this on a bench or in a vise, turn it over and push this down with a big socket or something, probably tap it in. I'm going to put a bit of grease around this and use my my hydraulic tool. Right. Air on. Forward position. Forward position. You could even just do it with a socket. These can only be done up snug, not fully, until the suspensions or the end of the car's back on the ground with the wheel to take the weight. So that's on, not tight. Shims. Alright, better get a socket. Size would I do not remember. That's 17. Good. This up, I put this contraption together with a battery drill. So when you think it's tight, you're going to have to go in another 3 or 4 mil, because that's where the it's got to punch through. It's got the grooves in the bolt. So be aware of that. Grease and oil on my fingers. Another job done. So I'm going to put a note on my wall to say that these are still loose. Find my pen. So here's my to-do list or done list. 10% battery. Okay, so things to do. Front bushes, left and right. So the right's been done. Okay. Heater box, that's done. So that's done, we can tick that off. Brakes are in the process, front wheel bearing soon, gearbox engine long way off, wiring harness pretty much done, almost, not quite, upper and fascia lower, they're done. Speedo cable, I've got a new one turned up, indicators are all good, so that's all okay. Horn switch is done. We got the wiper motor going, but now I'm having problems with it not stopping, so I have to get Sparky back in. Lost my mind for his name. Justin. Cowpipe, that's done by 2. So I've got more to add to there, I just haven't got around to it. Okay guys, so that's where we're up to. I've got to put now the grease nipples in. I've done all the hard yards. So I'll put the grease nipples in and risk them getting damaged. So I've still got to put the jack underneath here, and I've got another grease nipple to go in. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it there for today. So thanks for watching, tuning in. Thanks to the new subscribers. Really appreciate it. Anyone's been watching lately. If you're enjoying the channel, want to see more on the progress, stick around because we've got a lot more to do. Next up, I'll be doing the spindle back on, the front end. That'll be going back on. Got spring to go back in. That'll be the next biggest process. This spindle and marrying it together with the upper and lower control arm. Spring to go in. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And we've got a lot more calipers. They're all back together. There's videos on that coming up soon. A lot more. Good to see Anzac Day again yesterday. Go Anzacs. Thanks to our military. Greatly appreciated. To all our servicemen and women. Thank you. Thanks a lot guys. Gonna leave it there. Have a good one. Until next time. Take care. Bye then.